Here's a Buick 1972 Buick Skylark. This would be considered a two-door post, or actually two-door coupe thin pillar car. Now this particular car, underneath the hood, 455 V8, and that is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Edelbrock intake on it, HEI ignition, headers. Nice sounding running car. Kind of has that sleeper drag car look to it with the black steelies in the front. A little more of a Buick style rally in the back. And the paint is obviously silver, but it's kind of a flat, more of a flat finish, not a real high gloss paint. So kind of that flat silver satin look, I guess, if you will. Driver quality car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside, check out the 455 underneath the hood, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. You can click on it. It's going to take you right to our website, where you can check out the pictures. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. See, pretty straight up and down the sides of it. Interior is a later model GM leather interior. Actually has power buckets both sides. There's your 4-speed on the floor. There's an aftermarket stereo in there that does work, AM, FM. Also played around a little bit with the wipers. Wipers worked. We'll start it up and open the hood. Let's check out the engine bay and you can hear it run. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Feel free to ask your sales associate when you call in or email us. There will also be pictures of the trunk. There's a car cover in the trunk that goes with the car. We'll leave it in there. It can be sent with the car. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. Alright, pop this door. You can check out the interior, and we'll fire this thing up. A little repair on the door handle there. And again, seats out of a later model GM sedan that have been custom fit. Matching rear seat also. And again, you can see it in the pictures. It's kind of tough for me to maneuver the camera in and around here. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Aftermarket tachometer been mounted to the column. Did notice the gas gauge works. Like I said, car starts right up. Good runner. Wipers did work also. Aftermarket stereo. Also had that playing. There are a couple cracks in the dash I want you to be aware of right there. I think there's one more on the passenger side right there. So not terrible, but that's why they probably put a dash pad on there. Door closes nicely. Barely had to shut it. You can hear that 455. Nice rumble to it. Like I said, car's kind of going for that sleeper car drag look to it. I'm going to pause this video a second. I'm going to get this hood popped, and let's check out the engine bay. Alright, got the hood popped. There's the 455. Like I said, Edelbrock intake, HEI ignition, headers, power steering. Running engine. There you have it. Looking for a Buick, a sleeper muscle car. Here it is, 1972 Skylark. Two-door coupe or two-door post car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider
consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car transported to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Consult with your sales associate when you contact us via phone or email.